Well, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the sound not working. Now, if you go to the volume and you look right here, you can look at this little icon. If it doesn't look like a little music note or something like that, it might have the Bluetooth symbol by it. That's an indication you're connecting to like a Bluetooth speaker or something like that. So that's why it's not working. So you can just look at that real quick. Also, we can press the little lines right there, the three little dots, and we can adjust our sound through here. If there's anything that is all the way down, you're not going to hear that sound at all. So here's my speaker volume right here, and then here's my media volume. So we can go to settings too from here, and we can see everything as well. So just make sure everything is turned up under here. And then we got the music volume limits too if you want to turn those on. So another thing that we can do is just swipe down from top right. We can go to Bluetooth right here and just hold down on it. And just see if you're connected to any devices and unconnect from them. Otherwise, you can just go to the Bluetooth option right here and just completely turn it off. And then see if your volume is working through there. So we can go to settings right here too. Scroll on down to where it says sound and vibration. Click on this. Now you could have like mute turned on right here, where you're not going to be hearing any audio. So you might see a speaker with a slash through it if you try to adjust your volume. Just go to sound. Then we got vibrate while ringing, so if your ringer is not working. And then we can go to system sound right here. Okay. Everything is turned on right here except touch interactions, that's fine. Then we got volume. So this is going to be your classic volume slider, your mixer. Just make sure everything's turned up here. And then this is looking good. Now another thing that could be on is called Do Not Disturb. So we can swipe down. And sometimes it's a widget right here. It's called Do Not Disturb. I think it's called Modes too. So if we go to this and turn this on, this is going to mute everything. So on my phone there's like a time limit, I guess, or until I turn off. So I can just turn this on. And you'll get phone calls, and then you'll just get like a voicemail and you won't see that someone called you. It gets really annoying. So you can see it is called Do Not Disturb, and turn this off. If you can't find Do Not Disturb, just search for it, Do Not Disturb. It could be in a couple different places. Do not disturb. And then just look for it and make sure you spell it correctly and turn it off right here. So if it's not Bluetooth, it's not Do Not Disturb, it's not mute or anything like that, just try restarting your phone. So go to the power options right here. Restart your phone. Most of the time, just simply restarting it could be the issue too. And then also you could go to the switcher right here, press the switcher button, and just close all your apps. So there could be, maybe you're still in like a video call on Messenger or something like that, and all the audio is getting directed to that for some reason. So just close all your apps and make sure there's nothing open using audio. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.